M0 FXP Hamtech, welcome back to the channel. Big thanks to Marcus at NICSURE. So I've just been watching his video to do with the TID H3 radio that you can see in the background, that he has started writing some excellent software to control it via our PC, and I believe this time, because it's USB-C, we can actually hear it operating as well. So you do know about the Quasheng dock, which is excellent. So let's have a little play. Now this, I've only just watched this for 5 minutes, so I'm winging it, to be honest, but I thought I'd show you how to install it. So go to the Facebook link that's provided in my description, but also of course in Marcus's link, and then just click the zip. Okay, and when you click the zip, it will download, as you can see just here, to your thing. And then what I recommend you do, move all this advertising out of the way, is go over and create a new file. So I went on the right here, I just went right click, new folder, click yes, and then name it, new folder, and then name it. I named it TID radio. Okay, and so it's just here, it's called TID NIC. So there you are. So and then just extract that. So you would just go extract to, this window will open up and you'll choose that folder that's on your desktop that I named, and you name it what you like. TID, where is it? TID NIC. There it is, there, just there. Click that and click OK, and it will put all these files in. So let's just show you these files. They're just to the right hand side of the radio. Double click and the files will open. And it's nice and easy. Connect the USB-C to your radio. So mine is just here, as you can see. That's USB-C straight to my PC. And if you right click on your PC, device manager, and I'll go down to COM8, and there it is there, USB 0, and mine is COM8. Yeah, so we know the number of that. Now you may be prompted as well to download this program. Now, I found that I had to manually download it. I've not heard of it before because I don't really know about this. So it's called Net 8.0. Okay, and I just ran it. I literally just click here to download manually. I ran it, and it just installed it. It's just a very small little program, and I even rebooted my computer just to make sure that that worked. So now we're going to go back to the folder, and I've created a shortcut for mine. But what we'll do, we'll go to the folder that we got here. Okay, and one of them's called, it's like a shortcut called TID. If you want to put that somewhere, just right click it and just go, on mine it's, you can either pin to start or go show more options, and I selected pin to taskbar. But when you've got it, I would right click it and run it as administrator just to make sure. So you click that and then you go yes, and you get this new window open. And it's very nice. Let's move this out of the way. I mean, you know me, I love anything like this. I just love, and to resize it, you just pinch the corner. See me here? Pinch the corner. We'll just put Nick in the background there. And we'll just pinch the corner. See if I can just do it so you can still see Nick. Because that's, no. Anyway, I'll put the link in for the Marcus video. So we'll go down and we're going to pinch it to resize it. Okay, like so, and it will do the full screen. Now, to connect this to our radio, just trying to move all my stuff out of the way so I can do this. You just going to minimize all the stuff that you actually can't see. So here where it says none, you're going to right click and select, mine is COM8, remember? There's a brief pause, and then it just connects. Ta-da! So at the moment, if you look by the A, it says VFO, you know, to the right of the A. If you click it once, it goes straight to the memory channels. Now you can see that on the actual radio, the memory channel appeared. Let's do that again. VFO memory. Now I'm seeing, because don't forget this is in development, although we've got it for free, and thanks very much, there's still lots more work to do. You're going to be able to update your firmware. Marcus is going to really go to town on this like he always does. So if we just change my memory channel, so see the way we're in memory at the moment, we'll go down to HubNet, and hopefully we'll get some activity. If I just turn it up a bit. Yeah, there's someone there. I'll keep it low, but you can see that the main thing I like is that we can hear this radio. You can't do that with the Quasheng Donks without some modification, but it's still amazing, of course. So now I'm going to go on the B section. Click here, and I'm actually going to, because on the H3 you can actually do, if I remember right, let's go to B. This is where I need to learn how to go from A to B. We'll leave it as that for now. Let's just go 1 VFO, and then we're going to go 1 3 3 8 5 0 0. That's airband, yeah. And at the top here, when you're in VFO mode, look, low and high power. You've got wide and narrow, and you can see the radio responding. You've got now. I need to know what these musical signs are and what these triangles are. I'm going to have a quick look in a sec, and then that's an obvious one. Step. You've seen to type the frequency. We know it goes full screen. All of this is so cool. To go to A and B, you press the tab here. You can do it on your keyboard. You can also type in the frequency using your keyboard. If you select the B section, you effectively turn on split mode, and you can again type on the keyboard or type. I'm typing on the keyboard now. 4.5500, enter. And then here you've got CT, CSS, receive and transmit, where it says NT. So you just click it, CT, CSS, and of course DCS, R, CDS and none. So CTS, let's just go 77, which is a common one. You get it, and you can see it there displaying, but you could select none. Look, you don't, and they are independent. VFO and memory mode on both sides. So if we switch to the other side, VFO memory, and again your power's adjustable. In VFO mode you've got your power and your width, but you haven't got the on the left here. If we go back to the A side, you've got the Roger beep, and this one here was, pretty sure that was dual receive there. You can see the radio switching, so it's fantastic, isn't it? So I think I've got it pretty covered there. We'll do some more videos as Marcus does more on this. Now I don't know whether Marcus has got one, but I've actually got a TIDRADIO H8 here, so I'm going to be cheeky and plug that in. Let me think now. Looking at it, it's not USB-C on that one, it's only at the back on the battery, so I would say that that's not going to work, but because I want to try anyway, I'm going to plug in my cable to it and just see what it does, but 99.999 million% it's not going to work. So I've plugged it in, and look at the COM, go device manager, here, double click, COM 14 on that one. So we're just going to go, remember it's the TID H8 this. Gonna go to the COM port, and we have to close it down and start again. So double click, there it goes. Oh, I really did click, didn't I? I think you only need to click once. So there it is there. Go back to serial port 14. And as expected, it did find it. Nothing's happening. And we expected that, but it did actually connect, didn't it? Look. It does think it's connected to my TIDRADIO H8, so I bet it is completely doable. But yeah, with Marcus's amazing work, just see if anything works. Let's go back to A band. No, because what it is, the USB-C on this goes straight into the battery. So that's why it's different. So thanks very much for watching my YouTube channel, and thanks very much to Marcus73. All the best. Bye for now.